Ever been blindsided by a surprise bill? Most people have. Are you financially ready for the unexpected? Imagine facing a sudden car repair or a broken appliance and having no way to pay for it. Fact: more than 60% of us are in that exact boat. Don't let those unexpected costs force you into high interest debt. But here's the good news: you can change that. Meet your emergency fund. It's your personal financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws a curveball like a sudden job loss, unexpected medical bills, or that dreaded car repair. But what's your magic number? We recommend saving 3 to 6 months of your absolute necessities. Think rent, food, utilities. For example, if your must-pay bills are $2,500 monthly, that means building $7,500 for a solid buffer, or $15,000 for complete financial serenity. The more you save, the stronger your shield. Where should it live? In a separate high-yield savings account. Don't mix it with your everyday cash. Many online options offer a competitive 4 to 5% APY right now. This isn't just savings, it's smart money management, letting your cash earn for you. Start building your emergency fund today. Future, you will be incredibly grateful. For more smart money moves, subscribe to Quantum Capital Labs. Secure your financial future.